I already know if they're fitting like this on her, to me, they're gonna be like at the shin. And who needs that? I don't need that. So, hey guys, the Doc is Hope here and welcome back to my channel. It is December and it is time for our December pattern haul. I'm so excited. I have some patterns that I cannot wait to share with you and I hope that you love them all. So without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, you guys, so the first pattern I'm going to share with you is from McCall's. This is one of their brand new ones. This is McCall's 8532. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I actually bought this pattern twice on accident because I got it once and then I forgot I bought it and I bought it again. So this is McCall's 8532, this very cute jacket. It's like a utility jacket. I cannot wait to sew this up. It is so cute. It looks so comfortable, so sleek and stylish, and I love it. So let's talk about it. You have view A here, which is it looks like a more cropped version, and then it has the collar that comes up on the neck. View B is the one the model is wearing, which I absolutely adore, y'all. This pattern is bomb. This has pockets on the front and at the top. Well, the front top and the front bottom, it has buttons. There's a zipper, and then there's these, like, I can't remember what these are called, like pelés. It's something along those lines. And then the sleeves here, looks like it's gonna be great sleeve length for us long arm people. If you have longer arms, you know what I'm talking about. But I absolutely love this jacket. There's like a drawstring here as well. And then view C is the vested option. So absolutely loving this pattern, you guys. This is your Mrs. Jacket and vest. Your suggested fabrics are your cotton blends, your denim, your nylon, and your twill. You will need some lining fabrics. So like your polyester, or your satin or something like that. You might maybe use a cotton. I'm not sure what they're calling for. I'm sure they will let you know. And you're also going to need some lightweight fusible interfacing. There's a whole lot of notions going on here, y'all. A whole lot of notions. For view A, you're going to need a 22-inch zipper. For view B and C, you're going to need a 28-inch zipper. And then for A, you're gonna need 6 half-inch heavy-duty snaps. That is for the hood. And then for B, you're gonna need 14 half-inch heavy-duty snaps, drawstring cord, and then for C, you're gonna need 8 heavy-duty snaps and 1 package of half-inch single-fold bias tape. So get your notions ready for this pattern. I'm sure it's gonna be very cute. This is rated average. The size ranges from a 4 to a 26. Let us look at these line drawings, you guys. So again, very cute. From McCall's, here you have view A, which is it looks cropped to me, the cropped version of the jacket with the hood. View B is the longer version with all the cute pockets and the buttons and the hood here as well. And then view C is the vested option with no hood, and you still have 2 of the pockets at the bottom. So very cute jacket. This is the back where you can see as well with that nice little pleat in the back as well. So absolutely loving McCall's 8532. If you have not picked that up, go ahead and get yourself one and make yourself a jacket. Next pattern I'm going to share with you is from Simplicity. This is Simplicity 9176. Very cute pattern. This is a dress and it's an A-line and I absolutely adore it. This could be gorgeous in a sweater knit. This could be gorgeous in a ponte. This could be gorgeous in a lot of different stretch knit fabrics, and I absolutely love this dress, you guys. dress. I love that they put it with boots because to me it's very like wintry. If you made yourself a coat to go over top of this, could you imagine how beautiful and dramatic that would be? And I love the little pop of color with that red belt. So B is the version, let's see, A is the one I love with the sleeves and the A-line skirt and the belt. And then B is the same as view A except it is sleeveless. And then C has short sleeves and then it has no belt. So a few different options there. This dress has 12 pieces. This is your misses and women's dress. Your fabrics include your cotton types, your crepe, your damask, your double knit, your garbadine, your linen types, your piqués, your ponte, sateen, stretch wovens, and your wool types. So you could go knit or woven with this pattern. I love when they give you the option to choose. So love, and it could be very cute either way. So you can make it up in different fabrics and it would be very, very cute. For your notions, you're gonna need thread and then you're gonna need 22-inch invisible zipper. For A and B, you're gonna need 2 D-rings and 1 hook and eye. That's gonna be for that belt. And for C, you're gonna need 1 package of 1/2 inch wide single fold bias tape because it is sleeveless. As far as sizing goes, this pattern ranges from a 10 to a 28. I do not think you need any interfacing. Actually, no, you do for your belt. You're gonna need a little bit of interfacing if you're sewing up the belt. So let's go ahead and dive into these line drawings, you guys. Absolutely loving the line drawings. It has a nice bust start here, which, love a good bust start. So here are our line drawings, you guys. Again, view A is the dress that I am mad about with the sleeves, the belt, the A-line skirt. View B is the sleeveless version, and then C is the short sleeves. And then here is the back for all 3 of those dress options. Love it. With some cute boots, nice bag. I mean, you're just ready to go. You're ready to go. And you're gonna be warm. Put yourself on some tights. I don't know about y'all in Atlanta, it's like in the 30s sometimes, in the 20s right now. And it's not even winter, so it's gonna be interesting. Again, if you do not have Simplicity 9176, pick that up and sew yourself up a cute winter dress. The next pattern I have is Simplicity 8790. Very cute pattern. This pattern is more of like a casual knit pattern. It is from Sewn House 7 Sewing Patterns, which not too familiar with them, but I really like this pattern. I will show it to you here. You have many views. View A is the one that I absolutely love, which is this really cute dress with pockets in the front. There's an elastic waistband and then there's a hood also. So cute. I love how they paired it with some tights here to keep warm and then also just to complete the outfit. And then you have view B here, which is the hooded shirt or hoodie, if you will. View C, which is the shorter version. Not quite sure how it's different from A. I'm sure we'll see that in the line drawings. And then, or maybe it doesn't have the elastic waistband. That's what it looks like so far, but we'll see. And then view D here is another top option. And again, I'm sure we'll see how they're different. I see some contrasting, but we'll see. Okay, so let's see. This is your Mrs. Knit Dresses and Tunics, 14 pieces in this pattern. For your fabrics, this is sized for stretch knits only, so you will need jersey, novelty knit, stretch velvet, lightweight sweater knit. Very cute. You can use your overlock or serger, and for your notions, you're gonna need thread. For A, you're gonna need a drawstring cord. For A and B, you're gonna need some clear elastic. So definitely keep those in mind. I don't see where you're going to use any interfacing here. As far as sizing goes, this pattern ranges from a 6 to a 24. And yeah, let's go ahead and talk about these line drawings. Here we go. Here are our line drawings. Again, view A is what the model is wearing with that elastic waistband, the pockets in the front. This one is more of a dress. View B is more of a top, and you have the hoodie as well there. View C is more of a tunic to me, and I don't know if they're considering this a tunic or a dress, but either way, you do not have the elastic waistband, so like I thought. And then view D looks very similar to view B. It looks like the sleeves are cut differently, and then it also looks like something's going on different with the hood and the collar portion. So love all of those different options. Very cute, very stylish. So if you do not have Simplicity 8790, make sure you pick that up. Sew yourself up a dress, a tunic, or a top. So the next pattern I'm going to share with you, this pattern is actually a few years old, maybe like 2 years old. This is a knowME by Mimi G pattern by, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, Kishi B style. Kashi B style, I think it's Kishi B style. This is ME 2007, and I just love this dress. So this is the pattern. I like the short version and the long version, but for me, for winter, I'm leaning towards view A. I love, it's kind of like a bomber dress. If you are a fan of like bomber jackets, then I think this is really cute because it's like a bomber jacket with a skirt on it. So it's like a bomber dress. But I really love this waistband here that is just very cute, and this full length zipper and the split in the front. I'm mad about it. I'm mad about it. So let's talk about this pattern. It is rated average. The suggested fabrics are your moderate stretch knits only, such as double knit, ponte, scuba, sweatshirt fleece, and terry knit. So all really nice. For your contrasting, you can choose to contrast or you can choose to match your fabric. And you're gonna need some rib knit for that. And also you're gonna need some lightweight fusible interfacing. For your notions, you're just gonna need 1/30" separating zipper, and that's gonna go right down the front of your dress. Doesn't matter which view you sew, both of them need that 30" zipper. Bam. Okay, so I absolutely love this dress, you guys. View A is just amazing. Love this little part up here. You could contrast that. You could I mean, there's so much you could do with this pattern, but I just love the line drawings and the lines of the style of this dress. So this is the short version, and then this is the back of both of those, and it's just a really cute dress, you guys. Not sure when I'm gonna sew it up, but hopefully I can get to it at some point. So if you do not have ME 2007, go ahead and pick that up as well and sew yourself up a cute bomber dress. And so the last pattern I'm going to share with you guys today is from Vogue. This is very easy Vogue. This is Vogue 9181, and it's some pants. Y'all know I love a good pants pattern, and these Vogue pants I just really love. These are actually custom fit bottoms. So let me tell you. Okay, let me show you first the pattern. So we have view A here, which are these. These to me, these aren't for me. These are gonna be high water, flooded in the water for me. Because I'm 5'9", and I already know if they're fitting like this on her, to me, they're gonna be like at the shin. And who needs that? I don't need that. So I'm gonna pass on A, but do your thing if that's what you're into, or if you're short or petite. View B, I love. It's like a boot cut, and it's kind of a high rise. I kind of like a high rise just to keep you nice and secure and tucked in. And then view C to me is more of a kind of flare. So love that as well. For me, B and C are super cute. So let's talk about this custom fit bottom, you guys. They're saying that they're for flat, average, and curvy figures. So they have kept everyone in mind in this particular pattern, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it because if you're flat, not everyone is average. If you're flat or you're curvy, Vogue has kept you in mind in Vogue 9181. So let's talk about this pattern, you guys. This is a very easy pattern. You don't see that a lot for pants, especially not for Vogue pants patterns. These pants, it says fit below the waist, which is interesting because to me, don't these look high-waisted to y'all, or like above the waist? But okay, they're saying that they are below the waist. Bootleg pants fitted through the hips. They have a slightly shaped front button waistband and a mock fly zipper. There are also carriers for view C, and then there are separate pattern pieces for flat, standard, or curvy fit. Love it. Love it. I wish more pants patterns would do that. This may be the first one that I've run into that does that, but Vogue, we're here for the custom fit. Okay. This pattern ranges from a 6 to a 22. Your fabric suggestions are your wool gabardine, your wool crepe, your stretch wovens. So any of those you could use for this. You're also going to need some fusible interfacing. For your notions, you're going to need one 7-inch zipper and one 5/8-inch button. So not a whole lot for notions when it comes to these pants. Okay. Let us go ahead and take a look at these line drawings, and they kept them very simple for us, which I adore. Here we go. There's two drawings. A and B are like on the same page, and then the only difference between A and B is the length. So chop off the bottom of B and you have A, and then you have C. So I really still cannot tell the difference between B and C other than the carriers, but that might be it. The carriers, I don't see any other difference. So if that's it, then that's great. But yeah, absolutely love this pants pattern, you guys. If you do not have Vogue 9181, pick yourself up some pants pattern, a pants pattern, and sew yourself up these super cute simple pants. Well, you guys, that is it. That's the end of our December pattern haul. Can you believe this time next month is going to be January 2025, and we'll be coming together again for our January pattern haul. Cannot believe it. You guys, thank you so much for your love and your support this year. I appreciate each and every one of you. Love you so much. I hope that you have blessings in the new year, and I hope that you finish off 2024 with a bang. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I always enjoy making these videos for you. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. And hope you have a wonderful weekend. And until next time and next year, I will see you later.